Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by taxbuddy.com. Looking at the global cues, and the global cues has been very good. In fact, most of the markets are really very good except the China and Hong Kong due to some regulatory issues. And look at US markets yesterday, such a bad US jobs report, and people expected at least 700 to 750k new jobs being added, but the actual data came only 235. It is less than 1/3. But despite that, the Dow Jones did not even fall 100 points. It closed only about 75 points lower. And of course, when there is a problem, the IT stocks will go up, because the people in IT, they can always work from home, so they don't have to worry about coronavirus or anything. The Nasdaq has closed at another record high. SGX Nifty indicating around 17,400, and the more we could not believe this rally, the more the rally continues. And looking at the local cues, even such a high market and such a fantastic rally over a short period of time, and in fact, sometime in the March last year, Nifty hit a low of 7,500. From 7,500 to 17,000 plus, more than 10,000 point rally without even a 10% correction in between. But despite that, even at this level, even on Friday, both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers. And when both are buyers, then who is going to sell? So Monday, definitely Nifty will be opening around 17,400. Japan futures is up around 500 points. So naturally Japan markets will open higher. But the question is whether the gap up will be sustained or will the rally continue. But I'm really not comfortable at this level. So definitely at least some intraday selling I'm expecting. And looking at the open interest, and most of the people have done 17,300 short straddle in a weekly options. That is trading somewhere around 200 rupees plus. So which means that these smart people are not expecting Nifty to make more than 200 point up or down. Another one advantage, the first thing is that next week Friday is a holiday, so there are only 4 trading sessions. That is for the people who are trading in monthly options. For the people who are trading in weekly options, anyway, until Thursday is a working day, but Monday is a US holiday. So because of that, at least one day of a global cues will be missing. So that may work in favor of option sellers. So tomorrow, though markets may open around 17,400, and definitely I'm expecting some kind of a sell-off, and at least market will come to Friday's closing level at least once. But then what is going to happen after that is anybody's guess. So I'm expecting 17,000 to 17,500 as the trading range for this week. But my last week trading range has gone terribly wrong. I said 16,500 to 17,000, but it went up to 17,330. So, but the market cannot continue to rally like this forever. Market has to consolidate. And even the last week, so the surprising factor was, especially on Friday, it was Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industry has broken out of 1 year range. Sometime in last September, it hit a high of 2369, and that high was taken out yesterday, that is on Friday. So we have to see how much steam is left, and again, as I always say, it is the heuristic stocks that decides the Nifty levels, and out of these heuristic stocks, earlier the two IT stocks, TCS and Infosys, had been doing very well. Now Reliance has joined the rally, and anyway the ICICI Bank has always been trading very well. So finally only two more stocks that is left. One is Kotak Bank, which is significantly lower from the all-time high, and HDFC Bank is not significantly lower, but HDFC Bank and HDFC both are coming under some kind of a minor selling pressure in the last few days. So Bank Nifty is still nearly 1000 points away from February all-time high, whereas Nifty is more than 2000 points higher than the February high. So we have to watch very closely the Bank Nifty movement, and particularly HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. Other than this, there is no any very important economic data due for next week, and we have to continue to monitor the rupee price movement and dollar index and the gold price. So the gold price was higher slightly yesterday. That's because of the poor jobs data. So that may result in delaying the bond purchase. So just to summarize in few words, we can expect volatility to continue, and Nifty is likely to trade between 17,000 and 17,500 for the coming week. And Monday and Tuesday after the gap up may consolidate because Monday is a US holiday. And so we will see how the markets pan out. And I think now the FOMO effect, fear of missing out, and the people were waiting for correction, that correction has never happened. So the people who are waiting to invest during the correction, they may lose patience and they may start investing, and that can take the market even higher. You know, there is a proverb in Tamil, Anayara Deepamna Kolundu Vitterium, which literally means when you light up a small lamp, okay, so at the time of going off, it will give more brightness. So the last leg of the rally is always like that. So that's why we have to be very, very careful. But anyway, I'm expecting 17,500 to 17,600 as a stiff resistance. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.